So Jerry, these online classes that I've heard about, what are we going to be offering?
Actually, we offer mobile crane inspector training, rigging inspector training, overhead crane and hoist inspector training, and we're going to be offering a CCO refresher. Basically, we call it a fast track course.
Okay, and who will we be offering this to?
Typically, it's for personnel who've had some experience where we have put together refresher training courses for the individuals, and that's would be best suited for online, but we also offer initial trainings for personnel who want to stay in a more extensive training program. Let's say 3 days, 4 days, for example. So either initial individuals or certainly for refresher training.
Refresher for like say CCO recertification, correct?
Yes, for that certification, and we call that the fast track.
Excellent. And what the structure of the class is going to be like?
Well, typically in the morning, let's just say we have a couple of hours that we get through some of our material, administrative material, that we get into taking a quiz and such. And then we'll take a period of time, let's say an hour. After that, we'll pause, and where the individuals will have an opportunity to work on some of their own material. And then we'll get back together online to review that material.
Okay, so what kind of technology or what will the students need to participate?
Well, we'll provide them with a textbook and any quizzes that are applicable, but the type of material that they're going to be needing would be a webcam, for example.
Okay.
And
so they need the high speed to work with it.
Right, high speed internet connection, webcam, and obviously a computer to run along with it, so I would think.
All right. So what will we be sending them in the mail?
After completion, they'll receive a certificate of completion of the course or a completion of attendance.
Okay.
One or the other.
Excellent. Okay, thank you.